absolutely love these nesting tables by YITAHOME. The beautiful, simplistic, and neutral tones of these tables makes it fit with any furniture that you may have in your living room space. So a beautiful feature that I love about these tables is obviously the nesting feature. The white table, the smaller table, you have the black circular larger table. They fit perfectly seamlessly where they can nest. If you want to have slightly out, you can have the white table over here. You can put your favorite coffee mug on that table and say you want your display, your globe, or your vase to be on this table. Any configuration fits perfect. Now, if you don't want this large of a table space used, you can separate the white table and you can use both as individual tables, or if you simply want to slide under, you can simply store underneath the larger table. But as I mentioned, if you wanted to store both separately, they fit perfectly together, separate, either way you would like.